Hey guys, Justin here, JHart Modelworks. So last Saturday, March 21st, I got to escape kitchen renovation duties. So I went to the MCMA Showdown show. It's kind of like my home show. I'm not a member of the MCMA group, but I do try to go to this show every year since I started going. It's always a blast. I always get to hang out with really cool guys. Some fantastic builders, some amazing builds. You will see those towards the end of the video. But it's always a great show. So if you're in the DFW area, it's in Plano, Texas. It's every year around March. All right, so I took 7 builds. I don't have a whole lot of new builds. Last year I didn't do a whole lot. No muscle at all in like the last year and a half. So I didn't have anything for street machines, which I usually put something in. Most of it was stuff that I built last year. I'm not that kind of guy that likes to bring the same models to a show over and over and over again. There are guys who do. Like, you'll go and you'll look at the table and you're like, yeah, I've seen that build for the last 4 years in a row. Sometimes they've even placed with them and they're still bringing them. That is not me. I like to bring stuff that people have not seen. Typically, it's whatever I've been working on for the last year is what I tend to bring. This time I did bring a couple really oldies, though, that, again, stuff that I just haven't brought to a show. What did I bring? So I brought the Aston Martin DBS. That car did not do nearly as well as I thought it would have. The GMA T50 had the same problem. Absolutely gorgeous build. I love the paint on the T50. I figured out how to do forged carbon with paint and not decals. Fantastic build. It's never placed anywhere I've taken it either. So just really surprised, but it just is what it is. You never know how the judges are gonna, react to builds. I took the Ducati 916. I took the Ferrari F355 GTS. I took the Ferrari Roma. I took the 29 Model A Ford pickup, my beloved Lemon Drop. She did really good. The Ferrari 250 GT California Spider. You guys have seen this car before. Very, very old build. One of the first builds where I really started modifying engine bays and whatnot. I love that car. It's not one of my best builds, but it is one of my favorites. And another really, really old build that I took this year was the Mercedes AMG GT from Revell. And that's another one of those builds that it predates the channel. It predates me doing registration stickers with the month and the year on them. I have no idea how long ago I built it, but it was a long, long time ago. So that's what I brought. As far as how I did come back home with some hardware. Did a pretty nice job. Out of 7, I took 3 and an honorable mention. The Ducati 916 took a second place in the motorcycle section. The Ferrari F355 GTS did better than expected. It's a very clean build, but it's a very subdued build. It took a first in curbside. And Lemon Drop, my 29 Model A Ford pickup, she did well. She took a first in the street trucks group. The Ferrari 250 GT California Spider got a medal, and that is pretty much my understanding of that award, is that it is an honorable mention type thing. It's one of those things where the judges really like it, but it's not good enough to actually place in the 1, 2, 3 category. And there's some problems with that build. It is a really old build, really early build. One of the things that the judges did point out to me is that the wheels do not sit centered in the wheel wells. There's a reason for that as well. Those are not the wheels from the kit. Model Factory Hero did a photo etch wire wheel, which isn't exactly made for that car. It's made for something else. It's actually made for a Model Factory Hero kit. But they sold the wheels temporarily for a short period of time as an aftermarket add-on type thing. And I used those, and they don't exactly fit nicely in the wheel wells. So I understand. I completely get it. It is what it is. It's the way that chassis sits and the way those wheels sit on the chassis. They pretty much sit right up to the very front edge, especially the fronts. The fronts sit real close to the front edge of the body. They almost rub. So yeah, but it did get an honorable mention, and that's awesome as well. Now, there were some amazing builds. There's always amazing builds at this show. Really, really fantastic builders. So I'm going to call that a wrap for this video. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. I always appreciate you watching. We're going to move on to footage of all these amazing builds, and I will catch you guys on the next one.